Hey legends, this video is a mix of some sweet rides. Check it out and like and subscribe. Two-door coupe GTS 30Q, what a machine. Oh, there's that colour pop. Wicked rims and rubber. Oh yes, got the Nitrous Express in the back. Big tank, cell. Louvers, she's got the gear. Look at the paint on this, reflection. And the iridescent coming through. Nice. Oh yeah, got a smick rear end on it. Another nice tonner, guys. Beautiful. Looks like the Holden fantail colour, I would say. Pretty nice inside. Nice tray on it. Oh, love the ute. Supercharged. Like the tractor fella down and see if he'll fire it. Mate, do you mind if for the viewers you fire it up, because what do you got, 1100 horses out the front here? Yeah? So fire it up. What do you reckon of the idle, guys? What do you reckon of the idle? Commodore, Dad's Bunny. Nice green. Walk the line. I got the yellow canary on it, the sticker. This thing's got a sweet sound to it. Look at this sweet one. She wishes. Cooler in the boot. Nice. Looks like a Brahm to me on the rear end. Premier, GTS guards on it, I would say. Nice bad Q, GTS. Beautiful colour. Pretty smick inside. The monster tacker now. I wonder what's under the bonnet.
Yeah, he does cars and bikes. Yeah. He's got, yeah.
Nice Chevy, beautiful colour.
Holding grey. I've seen cars here like that.
Gemini. Used to have one of them, but not a two-door. Mate, Kinger. First car was a HT Kinger. You've got the louvers in the back, so. Smicked out dash. Love it. Nice looking donk in there. Nice tidied up engine bay. 1970 Holden HT Kingswood. Exactly what I had. Bit of info about the build. HSV, BNSS or SV. Very popular in the day. Nice and tidy. Oh, interesting. Pipes down the side. Chevy shaped exhaust tip. Ah, look at the paint job on this. The skid pig. Man, it's got the speckles in the paint. Iridescent. Built to kill tyres. I love it. Roll cage. Bit of a look in the interior, and she looks pretty wild. Are you sure? Skid pig. Lovely ute.
Alright, no worries.
Nice GTS. Looks like original interior, or seating and that. A couple of gauges had it in there, but the dash is smicked and original. Got the classic GTS stripe on it. Man, you used to find these back in the day. When they used to trash them, mate, they would just throw them in the tip. Unbelievable. One sweet Tirana. 77 by the number plate, GMH. Got the Stanger. Corvette. Oh, nice clean motor in there, mate. Look at the chrome on it. Interior, lefty hand drive. '98 C5. So here's a bit of difference. The Mad Merit says the number plate. Nice big supercharger on there. Making 1,011 horsepower. Got the rims on the thing, mate. It's a deep dish. Speckle in the paint. Nice clean motor, Harrop supercharged, flying the Harrop flag here. He's sick inside, I don't know if you can see in there. On the NOS, on the bottle. This is a Fairlane, debadged. Pretty cool. Nice, mate. Yeah, just wandering around, checking out stuff, talking to people. Nice Valiant. Don't see these around much, do you? Your car, mate? Yours? Victoria.
Sorry.
Yeah? Whereabouts?
Ballarat.
Ballarat. Oh yeah. Where they discovered gold.
That's it. We didn't get any of that.
How old is it?
67. It's in
Yeah?
1967.
What's under the bonnet? V8 slant?
Slant.
Yeah.
Yeah, 225.
2 yeah. Mate, they're rare as these days. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Nice car, mate.
That's why I brought it across.
Yeah, good on you. See you around.
Selling one boat, we've got 2 boats, 2 boats. Get a couple of jet skis.
61. V6 under there. Nice Tirana. Yeah, it might be shit, but anyway, I'm trying my hardest. Nice colour, nice sparkle in it. Smick XA GT Coupe. Nice inside. Yeah, got the big rims on it, which the Coupe's allowed for. Oh, look out! Going to get run over the original GT tips. Resurrected.
You gotta remember those numbers, right?
Lovely. Oh, I like the colour. Nicely blacked out. Or is it a wrap? iPro 34. Nice supercharge on the top there. Beautiful coupe. Got the tunes going in the background over there. I'll go and check it out in a minute. Sick ute. Tame beast. It doesn't look tame to me. Yep. What more can you say?
Good work here, that one.
Sure is, mate. Lovely. Oh, Betty. Oh, Betty. Very tidy. Very tidy. Oh, I've got some passion about these cars. My mate used to have one. Passed away a couple of years back now. First one he had, he put it into a tree. Then he bought another one later in life, and that's when he passed away. That's what he had. It's just 351 Fairlane. Nice car. Nice Chevy. Sparkle in the paint. Look at that. Chev Belair. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you got this far,
So
chuck
let's
a
just
like and
keep
subscribe on the page if you don't mind. That would be awesome. Thanks.